the engine. Okay, button on. Lights are on, as you can see. The engine is on, lights are gone. Everything looks fine. Okay. Now let's try to accelerate and see here the RPM's movement. Okay. As you can see, the engine sounds very good. It goes up very smoothly as well. One more time. Perfect. We got the windows control here. Let's check out this window. Perfect. Other side. Also perfect. Let's try this one. Perfect. Into the chairs here. We can check this window as well. Okay. Look at the interior now. The seats, leather seats, very clean. Here, check for the seats here. Okay, we got control for the sound here, the radio, and the calls. Let's try the audio as well. You can control it from here. Okay.
아니 제가 뭐 잘하셨어요. 뭐 이렇게 물은 것도 아닌데 그 어머니라고 해야 되나?
So the audio radio works perfectly. Let's try the AC. Go on the highest. Go cold. AC is on. You can hear the sound of the wind. It's blowing really strong. It's starting to get colder and colder. Change the mood from here. Perfect, so the AC works just fine. Here we got an automatic transmission, also in a perfect condition. What else we got in this car? I think I've showed you everything here. This is for the mirrors. Okay, the engine also sounds very good.
Esta es busyman.kr, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. busyman.kr. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398. Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.